The weather outside is frightful, and the sky is so delightful. The places I went to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Tell me why I just poured eggnog in my oatmeal. Look, you think I stopped myself before I poured the whole thing. Anyways, let's go back to regular scheduled programming. Hey y'all, good morning. It is Saturday. Yes. And the tripod is also shaking like a stripper. Jeez. So today I was supposed to be showing my friend how to drive, but it's raining outside and no, we're not about to be doing that in the rain. Right now I'm trying to let my car warm up a little bit. Do you guys just drive off? I ain't gonna lie. I typically just drive off, especially if I'm running late. But I ain't gonna do. So I'm about to go to the Goodwill. And then I gotta meet up with somebody around 1 o'clock. So yeah, that's all I have planned for right now. And then we're gonna have a seafood ball today. Seafood ball today. We will go. Erica and I, you guys will meet her later, are gonna go get some crab legs from the fish market, and then we're gonna cook it. The weather outside is frightful, and the sky is so delightful. The places I went to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. But like I said, I'm on. Remember how I told you guys? I don't know if I said it yesterday in yesterday's vlog, but I'm on Hinge, right? I decided to rejoin Hinge, and I've been, you know, interacting with a young man, and he said that he worked in a certain area, and I said, oh, I don't live too far from that area, right? And he was like, what he said? Yeah, you might just see me often, right? And I said, maybe, we'll see how things go. Further down, I asked him what countries or continent is on your bucket list. He said Paris, Jamaica, Bali, and a few other places. I said, nice. I'm going to Jamaica for Christmas. I can't wait. And he said, we might just have our own LOL vacation one day. And I'm like, maybe I'm reading into it too much. But no. You just giving me I want to have sex with you vibes. Like, you talk about vacation. I don't even know your last name, sir. Talk about vacation. These people, man. Like I said, he just giving me I just want to have sex with you vibes. And yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm just reading into things too much. Let me know in the comments if I'm reading into things too much. Because I'm like, vacation? What? What's going on here? Vacation? Sir. Oh, yeah, mama. Hold on. Jeez, please. Yeah, I'm on my way to the Goodwill. That is my favorite spot. Getting ready to do a little thrifty thrift. You feels me? They in the oven. Looking how they supposed to look. Got the butter melting. My girl E cooking the garlic.